Imagine being able to earn money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? What if I told you that while you're watching this video, people out there are growing their bank balances without lifting a finger? Today, I'm going to show you the top 10 ways to create passive income that can transform your financial future forever. Together, we'll explore these incredible opportunities that are within everyone's reach. In this video, you'll learn how to generate money while you sleep, relax, or even travel. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or a huge upfront investment. With the strategies I'll be sharing, anyone can start generating passive income and change their financial life. Most people work hard for decades, sacrificing their most precious asset, time. But what if you could escape that trap? What if you could ensure a constant stream of income without having to trade more hours of your day for money? What I am about to show you are tested and proven methods that will allow you to build a long-lasting and sustainable income source without compromising your well-being. I'll walk you through how these strategies work and how you can start applying them today, with simple and practical steps. The first method to generate passive income is by investing in dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in solid, stable companies, they usually reward their shareholders with a portion of the profits. These payments are called dividends. The best thing about dividends is that once you own shares in these companies, they will continue paying dividends no matter what happens. It is a completely automatic source of income. You don't need to monitor the market constantly or make daily decisions. Over time, the dividends may even increase as the company grows and its profits rise. This makes dividend-paying stocks one of the most reliable and effective ways to build passive income. Now let's talk about real estate. Investing in rental properties is another powerful way to generate passive income. Once you own a property and have tenants paying rent, you will receive regular income every month. Sure, there are some upfront costs and responsibilities, like maintenance and repairs, but the rewards can be enormous. Over time, property values tend to increase, which means not only will you be earning rental income, but your asset will also appreciate in value. This combination of rental income and long-term appreciation makes real estate a tried and true method for building wealth. Many people have achieved financial freedom through rental properties, and with the right strategy, you can too. If you're not ready to invest directly in physical real estate, another option is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own and manage income-generating properties. By investing in a REIT, you can earn a share of the income produced by the properties without having to deal with the hassle of being a landlord. It's like owning a piece of a large portfolio of properties, from office buildings to shopping malls, without needing to manage them yourself. REITs often pay out high dividends, making them a great way to build passive income with a relatively low investment. Another popular method to create passive income is by building a digital product or an online course. The internet has made it easier than ever to share your knowledge and skills with the world. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or just passionate about a certain topic, you can create an online course or digital product and sell it over and over again. Once the product is created and launched, the majority of the work is done. You'll continue to earn income as more people purchase your product. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even your own website allow you to reach a global audience and generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to earn passive income online. By promoting other companies' products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This is especially effective if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence with an engaged audience. You can create content around a particular niche and include affiliate links within that content. The key here is to be authentic and recommend products that you genuinely believe in. As people click on your links and make purchases, you'll earn a steady stream of income without having to create or ship any products yourself. The potential for affiliate marketing is huge, and many people have turned it into a full-time income stream. Creating a YouTube channel is another excellent way to build passive income. Once you start creating valuable content and build a loyal audience, you can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. While it takes time and effort to grow a channel, once it gains traction, you can continue earning income from videos you made months or even years ago. The key to success on YouTube is to consistently provide value, whether it's through education, entertainment, or inspiration. As your channel grows, so will your income opportunities, making YouTube a powerful platform for long-term passive income. Next, we have peer-to-peer lending. This method allows you to lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. In return, you earn interest on the loans. The more you lend, the more interest you can earn. While there's always a risk that the borrower may not repay the loan, platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to diversify your investments by spreading them across many borrowers, which can help reduce your risk. Peer-to-peer lending offers the potential for higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds, making it an attractive option for generating passive income. If you're looking for a more hands-off investment, consider putting your money into an index fund or exchange-traded fund, commonly known as an ETF. These funds allow you to invest in a broad range of assets, such as stocks or bonds, without needing to pick individual investments. Index funds track the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500, while ETFs allow you to buy a basket of assets that trade like a single stock. These investments are low-cost, diversified, and offer a passive way to grow your wealth over time. With consistent contributions and a long-term perspective, index funds and ETFs can generate substantial passive income through dividends and capital appreciation. For those who are creative, selling stock photos, videos, or digital artwork can be another great source of passive income. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Etsy allow you to upload your creations and earn royalties whenever someone downloads or purchases them. If you're a photographer, videographer, or artist, this can be an excellent way to turn your passion into a passive income stream. Once your content is uploaded, you can continue to earn income from it for years to come with very little additional effort. The key is to consistently create high-quality work that appeals to a wide audience. Lastly, we have royalties from books, music, or other creative works. If you're a writer, musician, or content creator, you can earn passive income through royalties. For example, if you write a book, you can earn a royalty every time someone buys a copy. The same goes for music, podcasts, or even videos. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Apple Music, and Spotify make it easier than ever to distribute your creative work to a global audience and earn royalties. While creating content requires upfront effort, once it's out there, it can continue to generate income for years to come. By now, you have a good understanding of some of the best ways to generate passive income. But which strategy will you choose to start building your passive income streams? It all depends on your interests, skills, and how much time or money you can invest upfront. The great thing about passive income is that it's flexible and scalable. You can start small and gradually build up multiple streams of income over time. It's important to remember that building passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and patience to see results. But once you've put in the initial work, the rewards can be life-changing. You'll have more freedom to do the things you love, spend time with the people you care about, and pursue your passions without the constant pressure of needing to work for a paycheck. Now that you know the top strategies for creating passive income, which one are you going to try first? Whether it's investing in dividend-paying stocks, starting a YouTube channel, or writing a book, the most important thing is to take action. The sooner you start building your passive income streams, the sooner you'll be on your way to financial freedom. And remember, it's okay to start small. Every successful journey begins with a single step. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on that valuable information. Thank you for watching.